Let's not check pockets. Just check your own, okay? This is so pretty. I forgot. These jokers came back. Hey, did y'all go to school for this? Come on, church. Just take a minute and just... What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl, Mary Kay, coming to you yet again with something really cute. I am so hooked on these headband wigs, y'all, because the convenience factor, oh my gosh, is through the roof for my lifestyle. Man, so I'm bringing you another headband wig unit. Before I get into the details of that unit, honey, and what I did with this hair of mine, let me give it up for the subscriber of the day. Bam. You bomb. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. To all my subscribers, you know I got much love for you. Mwah, I appreciate y'all so much. Let us get into this hair. Okay, so this is another headband wig. This is from HerGivenHair. They specialize in textured hair, curly, like blowout, kinky type of hair. As far as the front of my hair, I did like just a little simple design in the front. I didn't film it because it's literally the same exact way that I do a lot of my illusion individual braid patterns. So y'all know what I'm talking about, the plait connected to the plait, connected to the plait, because I didn't want to use rubber bands. I have fine natural hair, so if I don't have to use rubber bands, I choose not to. I don't want to because my hair be like, why would you? But if you have to, make sure they're oiled up. You get a care book that comes with their units to tell you, to teach you how to care for the hair. You can color it, you can bleach it, all that stuff, but you really want to take care of it like you take care of your own hair. Ooh, I like when I first touch a wig and it's super soft. I love that. So what I have here is another 18 inch. You guys, I really like 18 inches when it comes to certain styles. It's long enough to where I can put it up if I want to, but it's still not super duper long. So this is an 18 inch 3B 3C natural curly unit. It's really soft. It's constructed how you would imagine a headband wig to be constructed. It has the 3 combs, 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it has 4. 3 along the perimeter, 1 in the back. And then it also has the adjustable strap. It has the nice soft band that's gonna go across. Then it has the Velcro on the ends of the straps so you can, bam. You can adjust it how you want it to be adjusted for a good, nice fit for your dome. I have a small cap, that's my domology. My forehead is huge, but my head in general is kind of small. So there, that's that. It's how I was created, so whatever. It's really soft, you guys. Ooh, which is great because if it's gonna be all up on your neck, you don't want it to be, you know what I'm saying, when stuff be all up. That's the one thing about buying quality. There's so many perks into buying quality. There are so many perks, y'all. I'm not even gonna get into that because that's like a whole video in itself. But this is really soft. It feels good on my skin. It doesn't feel prickly. It doesn't feel harsh. Because some hair is like that. I'd be like, why would you even make wigs like this? Child, you wear them things for 5 minutes and they got your neck all cut up. I'm gonna throw this baby on and see how it looks on me. I'm not gonna put the combs in right just yet because I don't exactly know where I want this to sit. Let me get my mirror, y'all. I always forget this mirror. Maybe I will put like 1 comb in just to keep it secure. Let's get this in the back. Oh, that's a nice soft fit. That's a really nice soft fit. It feels great, actually. Ooh, this is cute. This is, oh, my cat thought I was talking to her. I was using my cat sounds. Y'all know. Y'all cat mamas out there know we have cat sounds. I'm gonna use the comb in the back. So just get it in there. Okay, oh yeah. Nice snug fit. Again, I have a small cap. You have to adjust accordingly, according to your domology. Okay. Pull that back some. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Now y'all know I'm I'm gonna pop these curls even more, but this is already really pretty. Like right out the gate. Look at those curls. Right out the gate. Okay. I like this. You know what I really like about these curls? They're very realistic. The texture is definitely 3B, 3C. It's nice, soft, very manageable. For us girls with fine natural hair, you know, it's nice sometimes to see some thickness. You know what I'm saying? We like thick. We like thick. Plot this baby on, bam, now we got it. And y'all, I know there is nothing new under the sun. This is not a new concept. We've been wearing 3/4 wigs, half wigs for years. What I really love is that these jokers came back. I like that, because I had forgotten, honestly. I probably wouldn't have been wearing no half wig no time soon, honey. I just forgot. I really did, honey. This is a blast from the past. Oh, this is so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. You can't feel it. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I be hot on that song. Y'all, I cannot keep my fingers out this hair. It feels so good. And I have done nothing. I have done nothing to this hair. Nothing. Nothing, you guys. What the heck, bruh? I want y'all to get with this. I like this. With my little front, how I have my front done, you know. I got to get my edges in order, but I had some swoop-a-doo, but I swooped it last night, so yeah. I'm just gonna have to re-swoop it. That's just where we are with that. Sometimes I be thinking my swoop-a-doo's gonna stay, and they be like, now sis, you acting you know darn well we was not gonna stay. We was gonna slide right back into our formation and rest. But I really wish you guys can feel this. Like, seeing it is gonna do it no justice because you don't feel what I feel. I want you guys to feel it. Y'all feel it? No? All right, well, you're going to just have to take my word for it. This is very soft. And the fact that I can just throw this on. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I mean, I don't even know what else to say. Of course, I'm gonna put on a couple of these headbands, but I mean, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I'ma do my little pop curl method, but honey, it's nothing that needs to be popped about these curls. These curls are already delicious. Like out the box, out the gate, okay? Y'all, when y'all get yours and condition it, y'all, them curls gonna be like, oh, memory. Y'all, listen, let me just say this. I am not the determining factor of if something is too expensive or not. That's really a personal choice. Check it out, see if it's worth it for you. If it is, get it, honey, because this is the bomb. If it's not, don't. That is a personal choice. So what we're not gonna do is bash people for wanting to buy something that you may think is too expensive, okay? That's goofy. We're not checking anybody's pockets, okay? Just wanted to say that because a few comments got a little on the other side, and I had to, you know, just, hey, we're not gonna do that to my subbies now. If they want to get it, they're gonna get it. If they can afford to get it, they're gonna get it. If they don't want it, they're not gonna get it. That's what that is, okay? So let's not check pockets. Just check your own, okay? With that being said, I'm about to go play with this, honey. You can't tell me, like, come on. This is like Easter Sunday beautiful. Yeah. We done come a long way from that tight curl in the front on Easter. Haven't we though? With them little pink rollers, honey. Haven't we? Getting tore up with the hot comb. Cause the sizzle when it hit a little bit. Oh, we done come a long way. Y'all got to see the blessing in this. Oh, come on, church. Come on, church. Just take a minute and just. That's when I started doing my own hair. I was like, you're not gonna, ain't nobody finna sit up here and keep on doing my ears like this. And did y'all go to school for this? Ain't nobody go to school for this. Y'all just putting stuff on the stove and having at it. Okay, I'm finna go play, y'all. All right.
It gets me on my feet.